beautiful story because it is a true story. And I think that I come from an immigrant family. I know that Lawrence does as well. And there is I guess, an inability for our stories to be seen. I think that there is a lot of commercial property in action, in martial arts, in comedy, but they don't want to tell stories that are raw and that are going to be about us. And storytelling has been around forever. That's how entertainment started, way before movies. And so knowing that and recognizing how difficult this movie was to get made, as you know, it took 16 different investors. And by the way, the budget wasn't big, so the fact that everyone donated to make that happen was miraculous. So it really breaks my heart to say that if it weren't for people like you and people that are championing the movie, this movie would be in a vault. And that means that our parents would be in a vault, and our grandparents would be in a vault, and we would be in a vault. And it's just been too long before, they consider us people that are not people, and they don't see how much participation we have in America and our communities. And I think it's time to really change the narrative.